Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today we have one very interesting radical equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by checking our equation at x equal to 20. At x equal to 20 our left hand side would be non-zero and right hand side would be 0. One non-zero number cannot be equal to 0. So for our equation x cannot be equal to 20. Now we will find domain of the equation also. So our radicands must be non-negative. We will write here this should be greater than or equal to 0. This should be greater than or equal to 0. This should be greater than or equal to 0. So we will get x should be greater than or equal to minus 12. X should be greater than or equal to minus 60. And from right hand side x should be greater than 20 only, because x cannot be equal to 20. Now we'll take intersection and we'll get x should be greater than 20. Then we'll be getting real solutions. Now we will split numerator with respect to denominator. So we can write x over 12 plus 12 over 12, which is 1, plus the square root of x over 30 plus 60 over 32 equal to the square root of x over 4 minus 20 over 4, it is 5. Now we have 12, we have 30, we have 4 in the denominators here. We will find LCM of all the three numbers. So LCM of 12, 30 and 4 will be equal to 60. So we can assume here x equal to 60u to get rid of fractions over here. So we can write equation square root of 60u over 12 plus 1 plus square root of 60u over 30 plus 2 equal to square root of 60u over 4 minus 5. 60 over 12 is 5. We will get a square root of 5u plus 1 plus a square root of 60 over 30 is 2. So 2u plus 2 equal to the square root of 60 over 4 is 15. So 15u minus 5. Now we are going to square both sides. So whole power 2, whole power 2. We'll cancel square root with a square in right hand side and we'll be using a plus b whole square formula in left hand side. So we will get 5u plus 1. It is the square of square root 5u plus 1 plus 2u plus 2, which is the square of square root 2u plus 2 plus 2 times square root of 5u plus 1 times 2u plus 2 equal to 15u minus 5. Now here we have 7u plus 3, which we will take to the right hand side. This term we will take to the RHS. So we will get 2 times square root of 2 times u plus 1 times 5u plus 1 equal to 15u minus 5 minus 7u minus 3. 15 minus 7 is 8, so 8u. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Now we will take 8 common from here. So we will write 2 times square root 2 times u plus 1 times 5u plus 1 equal to 8 times u minus 1. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So 8 over 2 will be 4 and 2 over 2 is 1. So we will get square root 2 u plus 1 times 5u plus 1 is equal to 4 times u minus 1. Let me write here square root of 2 times u plus 1 times 5u plus 1 equal to 4 times u minus 1. Now we have square root in LHS, so we'll be squaring once again. Whole power 2 in RHS, we'll put whole power 2, square root and square will be cancelled out. From left hand side, we will get 2 times, let's multiply these two, we'll get 5u square, 5u plus u, 6u, 1 times 1, 1 equal to 4 square is 16. Then we'll write u minus 1 whole square, u square minus 2u plus 1. We'll divide by 2 both sides. So 2 over 2 will become 1. 16 over 2 will become 8. So we can write 5u square plus 6u plus 1 equal to 8u square minus 16u plus 8. Now we take all the terms to RHS. 8u square minus 5u square, 3u square, minus 16u minus 6u minus 22u, 8 minus 1, 7 equal to 0. Now we have one quadratic equation which we can solve using factorization method. So we will split our middle term minus 22u minus 21u minus u plus 7 equal to 0. From first two terms 3u is common. We will get u minus 7 in the bracket. From next two terms we will take minus 1 common. So u minus 7 will be in the bracket equal to 0. Now u minus 7 times 3u minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. Either u minus 7 equal to 0 or 3u minus 1 equal to 0. So from first equation we will get u equal to 7. From second equation u will be 1 over 3. So I can write u equal to 7 and u equal to 1 over 3. Now our substitution was 60u equal to x or x equal to 60u. So I will multiply here by 60 both sides. So I can write times 60. Here also we'll write times 60. Here also we'll multiply by 60. Now LHS will become x. 60 times 7, 420. 1 over 3 times 60, 20. As per our condition on x, x should be greater than 20. But here we have x equal to 20. So we will reject 20. So the accepted real value would be 420, which will satisfy our equation. Now we are going to verify our solution. So I will write here check x equal to 420. Let's begin with left hand side. Here we have LHS, square root of 420 plus 12 over 12 plus square root of 420 plus 60 over 30. We'll get 420 plus 12, 432 over 12 plus 480 over 30 inside the square root. 432 over 12 is 36. So square root 36 plus. Here we will cancel 0 from numerator denominator. So it is square root 16, which will be equal to 6 plus 4. So our left hand side is 10. Now the turn of finding RHS at x equal to 420. So we will write here square root of 420 minus 20 over 4, which will be equal to square root 400 over 4, which will be equal to square root 100, and square root 100 is 10. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our solution x equal to 420 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.